Yeah, I think everyone's preparation's been probably a little bit different, but we've had a really good block of Shield cricket over here, with 6 games of red ball cricket sort of leading into the Prime Minister's 11. So, yeah, I think all the guys that have been picked in the bowling attack are going to come into the game with some, really good confidence. And yeah, it's another big challenge. Obviously, Pakistan's filled with class batsmen, so no doubt it's going to be a tough opportunity. But I think the guys that are being picked to play are going to be trying their hardest to make sure they can get on top of them.
So who will be your target in Pakistan batting line if we talk as a bowler?
I'll take anyone, to be honest. I don't mind who it is, but I think there's going to be plenty of guys that come out in the Pakistan top order. That's going to be tough work. So I'm not too picky with if I do get a wicket who it is. Yeah, definitely. I think anytime you sort of get a chance to test yourself against a test playing nation's always a great opportunity. And yeah, last year I have really fond memories of playing against the West Indies at Canberra, and it was nice to have a bit of a taste for it, and had a little bit of success, which was nice as well. And felt like that gave me a bit of confidence sort of heading into the BBL, and then was able to springboard off that into the Indian series. So yeah, it was looking back on the game last year. It was probably